Morning Year 13, welcome to another online assembly. I hope last week's assembly was something that was really good and informative for you, and also let you know that we are here and we want to continue to support you. It's such a difficult time for you at the moment. You're literally in limbo between finishing your journey with the Compton Sixth Form and moving off into the wider world as adults, and thinking about the fact that perhaps you're going to university, you're about to start an apprenticeship, or you're taking a gap year. All of these things have so many questions around them, so we want to continue to provide that support and information where we can to let you know that we're not going to throw you out into the wide world. We're going to make sure that you get there, and we're going to help you every step of the way that we can. I'd like to start by just recognizing that, again, we know so many of you are working really hard during this difficult time as key workers working in supermarkets or with your part-time jobs. So when we go out to clap tonight for the NHS, as it's Thursday, we're also going to be thinking of you and clapping for you and the hard work you're putting in during this time. As I said, it is about thinking about how we can work through this process. It's such a difficult process for you, and the longer the lockdown goes on and the time before any questions you might have get answered, the more difficult it can become. And that's why I want to begin today by emphasizing the importance of routine, and how having a routine, even if you don't necessarily have much work to do, having a routine can be really beneficial in helping you stay mentally strong, mentally active, and also physically active. So overall, you're not creating any anxiety or giving yourself any stresses. So to begin with, I'm going to show you a little video that I've put together emphasizing what my routine is like. When I have my day, I like to think of the fact that I try and have at least 5 things that I want to achieve that day. And just by ticking off at least 5 things, I know that 1, I can finish the day feeling accomplished, and 2, I can also make sure I'm always being active and I'm not going to give myself any time to let my mind wander and create any stress for myself. So hope you enjoy it, and then you can also, by watching, think about what's your routine like at home, and is there something you could be doing to improve it or make it a little bit different. hopefully gave you a little bit of insight into my routine. Now, of course, I'm not expecting you to have the same routine as me. I'm not expecting you to get up at 7 o'clock every day like I do. Of course, get up much later if you prefer that. But I do try and set yourself a number of goals and tasks each day. By setting yourself these goals, it's really going to make you stay active mentally and also physically. It's going to reduce the chance for your mind to wander and for negative thoughts or for anything that might cause you a bit of anxiety to come into your mind. There's countless things you could add to your list, but just by having at least 5 simple things, it's going to allow yourself to feel better and feel more accomplished at the end of each day. It is really important that you do try and apply a positive mindset to your situation at the moment. I know that for someone who has just finished their schooling and about to go off into the wider world, it must be very, very stressful, and we are very much aware of that. But by applying a positive mindset yourself, even if you don't have that particular access to support when you want it, you can still try to think about things positively and think about how you can move forward and keep yourself feeling calmer each and every day. The things that we set on Show My Homework regarding careers and future work is something that would be really beneficial to have a look at if you haven't. Last week we set a task based around budgeting and being able to manage money, whether you're going to university or not, is something really, really important. It does also bring up the idea that thinking about, have you applied for student finance? There is definitely a need to apply for it now. They haven't announced the deadline yet, but it is really thinking about that it might take up to 6 weeks for your application to process. The longer you leave it, the later it's going to be that you actually receive your money when it gets to a time to attend university. So do think about applying. I've placed a link in the description about how you can access a website that gives you a bit more information and the specific information UCAS is providing for you. So have a look at that, check that out, and apply as soon as you can. Any other questions or anything that you might have that's stressing you out, again, try and put a positive spin on it to make you feel like that you are able to achieve something, you're able to get something out of it. I'd just like to also recognise the importance of keeping in contact throughout this time where there's so many questions and so many issues that might be out there that you might have. We do really love hearing from you, so anytime you can get in contact, whether it's by email, if you would like us to call you and have a conversation, by all means, message us and we can get back in touch with you. Or just in general, especially given that we so much focused on routines today, we'd love to know what routines you have, what things, what activities, how you're doing your work. We'd love to know these things and also be able to share those with other members within the school. So do keep in contact by updating us through social media, sending us photos, videos, images. If you really want, I can put some of them into these assemblies as well, just so that everyone else in the sixth form is able to share in different things that can be done during this difficult time. If you do have any particular concerns or really stressful anxieties, please remember to check Show My Homework. There's a lot of information that I've put on there about where you can go if you're having difficult times, and also again a particular email address if you're having any particular concerns regarding safety or any other safeguarding issues. So do check that, do read through those and let us know again if you need that extra support. Just going to finish today by letting you know to tune in tomorrow. The history department is going to be doing a very special assembly on the Compton channel of YouTube and also access through the school's website, in which they're going to go through and look at VE Day. Tomorrow is the 75th anniversary of the day in which the ending of World War II happens. So do check in tomorrow and watch that assembly. It's going to be very, very special and something to very much mark on also what is a bank holiday. So put your feet up tomorrow, enjoy the assembly, and also really much look after yourselves. Tune in next week as well. We're going to go through some more information and any other further updates that we might have for you. So thank you very much for your time and enjoy the rest of your days.